Hey friends, if you wish to fix DAM watchdog timeout blue screen of death error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to uninstall recently installed drivers. Okay, how would you do that? Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. If you updated any driver recently, here's what you have to do. Let's say you updated the camera driver recently. Right click on it and select uninstall device and uninstall it. Okay, and then automatically click on action and scan for hardware changes. Now I'll tell you what will happen. First of all, it will uninstall the drivers because they might have been problematic if they were interfering. Now when you click on scan for hardware changes, if they were problematic, they would not be reinstalled, but if they were not, then they would be reinstalled. It's as simple as that. The next solution is to check the RAM speed. Search for task manager in the Windows search bar and open task manager. Go to the processes tab on the list on the left hand side. Now click on memory. Memory means RAM, and you'll notice the RAM speed here. The RAM speed has nothing to do with the what do we say, quantity of RAM. It is a different metric. Is it good enough? Is it over 2400 MT per second? If yes, then that's good. If not, then you will have to add a RAM. The next solution is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Search for Memory Diagnostic in the Windows search bar and click on Memory Diagnostic tool. Now select Restart Now and check for problems. The last solution is to run the Windows Driver Verifier tool. Search for Verifier in the Windows search bar and open the Verifier tool. Select Create Standard Settings, Next, Next, and then keep clicking next till you it starts scanning, and eventually in most of the cases it will say no unsigned drivers found, but if it says that there is an unsigned driver, then update it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.